Working in temporary traffic control typically means working long hours and in legitimately dangerous conditions. And while there will always be a need for people to direct traffic, there are also several tried and trusted solutions that reduce the number of team members in harm's way while at the same time making the job more efficient. What makes this possible? Technology. Just like machine control changed the way we check grade and do our work on a job site, smart traffic control devices are changing the way we do temporary traffic control. In this video, we'll talk through a few smart portable devices and how they work. We'll start with the simplest device, an automated flagger assistance device, or AFAD for short. You can set up one of these devices on both sides of the lane closure. One on-site flagger controls both devices, flashing one side yellow to allow cars to pass through the work zone and red to stop the traffic coming in the other direction. The second and most commonly used device requires no on-site flaggers to operate, the portable traffic signal. These can be used for common single lane closures, like on a bridge or a guardrail replacement, or designed to direct traffic through a complicated intersection. Here's what's awesome about portable traffic signals. They're solar powered and communicate autonomously, which means there's no need for a generator or cables. Everything you need is included in the trailer and they can be easily delivered to your job site. They also come with sophisticated software and algorithms. The same folks who wrote the code that put the rover on Mars have created the capability to automatically sense the length of the queue and give what's called a smart signal, adjusting the flow of traffic automatically based on the volume at hand. And finally, these signals are monitored 24/7 by certified traffic control professionals to optimize safety and traffic flow. These folks are always only a phone call away, meaning the project manager can override the smart signal at any time. These portable traffic signals are also great for improving cycle time for haul trucks. Think about those projects that last weeks or months and require a fleet of dump trucks regularly crossing a highway with live traffic. You would typically need a crew of flaggers to intermittently allow the haul trucks through, which requires loads of team members, money, and risk. Or you could set up a portable traffic signal to automate the process and significantly reduce the wait time for everyone, the public driving down the highway and your haul trucks. Third, there are smart portable driveway devices. These devices are helpful for side streets and driveways that intersect with one-way work zones. Instead of needing on-site flaggers for just a handful of cars during a 12-hour shift, these devices tell cars which way is safe to turn as they enter the one-way road. This means that if you've got a 2-mile work zone with 12 side streets or driveways emptying into it, you're able to work the full 2 miles instead of being constrained to shorter distances due to a lack of flaggers. Next, there are pedestrian crosswalks that help people safely cross work zones on foot. If you know much about foot traffic in construction zones, you know it can be a real challenge. Temporary pedestrian crosswalks can be integrated with portable traffic signals. These crosswalks operate similarly to regular permanent crosswalks, but can be moved during a construction project as it evolves. This makes it an ideal solution whether you're moving 10 pedestrians through the work zone or thousands. Now that we've talked signals, let's talk about changeable message signs. These trailers have been around for decades, but gone are the days where you need to send someone out to the trailer to type a message. Now you can manually override a message from your office or even kitchen table. Or better yet, have the message change based on current traffic conditions within the work zone. We've all driven through work zones that say stopped traffic 1 mile ahead or traffic to work zone 12 miles, 20 minutes. These signs are updated automatically in real time because of integrated portable sensors. You can even retrofit the message board you already own with portable sensors so that you can see their status and update them remotely. All of this automation is made possible by the use of portable sensors, which collect and transmit incredible amounts of information, including traffic volume, average speed, lane density, patterns, and vehicle classification. And with remote monitoring, you can use that information to make temporary changes or larger shifts in messaging, flagging, or red light cycles. And in some devices, these sensors also trigger an automatic change in the way the device interacts with the driving public, telling them to slow down, for example, or moving more or less cars through a queue at a time. These can even detect when drivers are driving the wrong way on a road. What's amazing is that these smart work zone solutions have been proven to reduce crashes by up to 80%. There's obviously a lot of reasons to consider using these smart devices. In another video, we'll walk through a couple of specific projects showing them in action. And if you want to learn more, hit up our friends over at Street Smart. They've created a turnkey solution for the dirt world and can help you determine if these devices are a good fit for you.